Hey guys, welcome to this short demo video of Speedii. Speedii turns any website to ultra blazing fast loading, installable, offline usable, mobile friendly super sites that gets top search rankings and tons of free traffic with a few clicks. Trust me, this is the ultimate solution to major problems that eats up 77% of website revenue. Now, Speedii combines three breakthrough technologies, as you can see: PWA, AMP, and FBI. PWA stands for Progressive Web Apps, which actually turns your website to instant mobile app. Now, AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, which enables your website to load faster than ever in less than 3 seconds. And FBI allow you to monetize your website with Facebook Ads Network. So now this is the overview page, as you can see. So you can see the overall status of your app and all that. The Google AMP, PWA, and Facebook Instant Articles. So now we go to PWA. Now as you can see, that's Progressive Web Apps. And it uses modern web capabilities to deliver fast native app experiences with no app stores or downloads. So now you can see we have the add to home screen button. This allows you to show your website visitors a pop-up button or headline or overlay that instructs them to install your website as a mobile app, and they don't even have to download anything. They just add it to the home screen button with the other native app. So to set that, you have to come to this place, give your app a name. So I'm going to put Speedii there, as you can see. Then short name again, Speedii. Then front page. Now select the start page of your web application. So you're going to select the start page of your web application. In this case, I can select this. Then you come to description. So you just give your website description here. So let's say that's my website description. The next thing to do is to select the icon that you want to put here. So I'm going to put in the icon here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the icon, then select the website icon and put it there. So I'm going to select the icon. Okay, so this is it. Then click on select file. So my icon is added automatically. Then the display mode, do you want it to be standalone, full screen, or minimal? Just select standalone. Then the next thing, orientation, leave it as default. Then the status bar, do you want white background? This is for iOS, that is for Apple products, maybe Apple tabs, Apple iPhone, or Apple laptop. So white back, so I'll just leave it like that. The theme color, so you select the theme color of your website. So this is close to the theme color of my website. So I'll select this. And the background color, I'm going to select white. So then installation overlay. How do you want the add to home screen button to appear on your site? Do you want it to, if you want to enable it, then you click here. Then you select the support browser. Default browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla, and Apple. So then you select the overlay type. Do you want the full screen, or you just want it to be a header notification, like a header banner? So you can select header banner if you prefer that. So the next thing, let's say you just want to place this code on any part of your website, so you can copy this short code and place it there. Then the background color, you can use any background color that you want. So in this case, you can decide to use maybe red. Then text color, can decide to use white. Then timeout, that is, choose when to show installation overlays again if they were dismissed. Timeout is in days, so you can put the number of days here. So once you're done, just click on the save settings. As you can see, it's saved automatically. So this adds home screen banner at the top of your site, which enables users to install your website as an instant app on their mobile device. The next thing is offline usable. Offline usable actually allow your website to load offline. That is, even if your visitors doesn't have internet connectivity, they can access your website. So now all you have to do is to select the page that you want to make offline usable. So once I select the page, the next thing, the offline contents. Select the same page as well. You can select as many pages as possible that you want to make usable so that people can even navigate your website even if they are offline. So if you want them to be notified that although they are offline, but they can still access your website, so they are going to be like a header banner at the top of your site telling them that they are offline or they have network issues and is reconnecting. But that doesn't stop them from accessing your website. So once that is done, you can just click on Save Settings. So once you save settings, then your website is offline usable. It's as simple as that. Then accessibility. Now, do you want them to be able to refresh your site just by drawing down the page? So if you want that, you can click on there and then set it. So put that navigation touchscreen gesture. Can you see? You can select the background color. So you can just use blue, light blue. So let the color match the theme of your website. Then the swipe navigation too as well. That is, if they swipe, they can go to the next page or to the back page. So if you want to enable that, you can enable that as well. If you want to enable shake to refresh, you can also do that. So now, if you want to enable vibration too, that is, it creates vibes on tapping for mobile users, you can as well enable or disable that. So once you're done, you just scroll down. You can see we have preloader as well. If you want to add a nice page loader, then you can do that here. Once you're done, just click on Save Settings. And that is saved as well. So the next thing is optimization. You want to optimize your website. Can you see? Cache and minify. Help your website load faster by minifying and storing your CSS in cache. So you can enable that. So it makes your website load very fast. And delivery optimization, you can enable this as well. Enable this and you click on Save Settings. So once you're done with that, the next thing is the push notification. If you want to integrate push notification on your site as well, then you have to register with OneSignal push notification plugin. Then you input your details here in order to enable push notification. Is a third-party app. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the AMP. AMP is Google Accelerated Mobile Pages. This makes your website to load very fast, and this also affects ranking in Google search. So now there are two modes. It can be paired or AMP first. If you select pair mode, it means, as you can see here, if you choose pair mode, it means it's going to load both PMA and AMP version of your website. But if you want your website to be super fast, then you select AMP first. But if you select AMP first, it means your website, your PWA will not be activated on your website, which means people won't be able to install your website as a mobile app. So whichever one you want to use, you select. And once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is just to click on Save Settings. As you can see, settings saved. So we'll move to the next thing, which is advertisement. Now you can also use AdSense auto ads with the help of machine learning. You can see auto ads show ads only when they are likely to perform well and provide a good user experience. So you can decide to enable auto ads here, then you enter your data ad client, which is your publisher ID from your Google AdSense. So this is another way to monetize your website. And as you can see, you can select where you want the advert to appear, maybe above content or below content. Then you add the responsiveness. You can see either you want it to be responsive or you want a specific size. You select that. You enter your publisher ID and the data ad slot as well. So once you're done with that, if you want the advertisement to be inside the content as well, you set it here. And if you want it to be below the content, you set it here. And once you're done, you click on the Save Settings, as you can see. So now the next thing is the analytics. Like you can also install Google Analytics in order to track your website, to track your AMP pages as well. You can also install Facebook Pixel, as you can see. So this is just basically tracking. So you can track your website using Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels. You have task counters and a lot of tracking tools as well. So once you set anyone you want to use, you're good to go. It also comes with GDPR consent, as you can see. So you can enable cookie notice and you drop your message. You can type the message here and you save settings once you're done with that. So that's the power of Google AMP. And the last one I'm going to talk about is the FBIA, which is Facebook Instant Articles. As you can see, it's a tool designed for media publishers to distribute instant and interactive articles to their readers within the Facebook mobile app. So you have to enter your Facebook page ID here. Once you're done with that, you come to the type of post you want to support. You can say post. So you select post. This is actually good for bloggers. So you put the post there. And once you're done, you click on save settings. Also, you can also monetize your website with Facebook Audience Network as well. All you have to do is just to enable it here and enter your placement ID. Then you click on save settings. So this is another way of generating passive income from Facebook and also Google. And the last thing, we have the analytics as well, where you can also track your website. You can see you can enable analytics and input your Google Analytics code here. And once you're done, you click on the save settings. So this is how powerful Speedii is. It combines 3 breakthrough technologies to power your website and turn it to ultra fast loading website that top search engine and gets you tons of free traffic. Thank you.